Huawei has once again raised the bar in foldable smartphone technology with its latest release, the Huawei Mate X6. Building on the legacy of the Mate X series, this cutting-edge device blends elegance, power, and advanced engineering into a foldable masterpiece. With an incredibly slim profile of just 4.6 mm when unfolded, the Mate X6 is one of the thinnest foldable phones on the market today. Under the hood, the Mate X6 is powered by a robust silicon-carbon 5200 mAh battery, offering exceptional longevity in such a sleek frame. This phone demonstrates Huawei's commitment to pushing boundaries, even as it continues to face limitations due to the absence of Google mobile services and a slightly dated chipset. However, those drawbacks are overshadowed by the phone's overall design and performance. The Huawei Mate X6 boasts a stunning 7.93-inch inner display with a 2240 by 2440 resolution, offering an immersive viewing experience. The carbon fiber reinforcement ensures durability, while the new coating provides a glass-like feel. The cover screen isn't left behind either, with a generous 6.45-inch LTPO display capable of 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rates, protected by Kunlun glass. On the design front, the Mate X6 exudes sophistication with its Bordeaux vegan leather back and circular camera bump featuring this mage moniker. The quad-camera system promises top-tier photography and videography capabilities. With its lightweight 239-gram build and dimensions of 156.6 by 73.8 by 9.9 mm when folded, the Mate X6 manages to outshine some of its competitors, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Honor Magic V3. Other notable features include an IR blaster, capacitive fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, and IPX8 water resistance. The thin bezels, nearly invisible crease, and overall seamless design make it clear that Huawei has refined the foldable phone concept. While it may not be perfect, the Huawei Mate X6 sets a new standard in the foldable smartphone industry. Stay tuned for our full review as we dive deeper into its camera capabilities, performance benchmarks, and real-world usability. Huawei Mate X6 isn't just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology.